Hello and welcome to Mobius Institute. Our goal is to help you achieve your goals. Our training will help you truly understand reliability improvement, condition monitoring and precision maintenance concepts, technologies and techniques. Our accredited certification is respected around the world. It will enable you to gain the recognition and respect and career opportunities that you deserve. Our asset reliability transformation strategy will help you achieve the reliable plant. And our Mobius Connect communities, knowledge sites and training conferences will enable you to solve problems, continue learning and share your experience. We hope you will join thousands of your fellow leaders and practitioners around the world by learning with Mobius Institute.